Auto brewery syndrome, also called gut fermentation syndrome. This is a condition where your gut is fermenting certain foods and turning it into ethanol. The ethanol is entering your bloodstream, and now without drinking alcohol, your blood alcohol level is elevated. I have recently been working with some patients that they're losing their jobs because they can't drive or they can't perform properly because their alcohol levels are high. And so, what a lot of people are told is it's due to a high carbohydrate diet. Those carbohydrates are being fermented into ethanol. But there's millions and millions and millions of people that have a high carbohydrate diet that don't deal with auto brewery syndrome, and so it really comes down to the gut. What I'm seeing some trends here with the patients that we're doing testing with, and yes, it's extremely important to get a comprehensive stool analysis done because it will tell us exactly what is driving this auto brewery syndrome or this fermentation within your gut. And so what I'm seeing a lot of people that have a lot of yeast overgrowth. Okay, the yeast overgrowth is promoting the fermentation of these sugars and carbohydrates. Dysbiosis. So there's a lot of bacteria in the gut that are supposed to be there called your commensal bacteria, and overgrowth of these conditions, it can drive something called SIBO, small intestinal bacterial overgrowth. But an imbalance in these bacteria is also something I'm seeing a lot of that is driving this auto brewery syndrome. And then, what is causing these overgrowths? What's causing the yeast? And so that's other things that we need to look at. And so, slow motility, so gastroparesis or constipation, upper GI function, how well your stomach's breaking down proteins, how well your gallbladder is emulsifying fats. Super important, making sure that your pancreas is secreting adequate amounts of digestive enzymes. And then, looking at infections, looking at the different yeast. Is it Candida albicans? What kind of yeast are you dealing with? So again, proper testing. We use Genova Diagnostics, their 2200 series stool test. It is discounted through our office. We drop ship this test to your house. It will tell us exactly what you have going on. And we're getting great results with these patients that are able to start putting carbohydrates back into their diet and no longer fermenting that and creating ethanol. So guys, Dr. Don here from the Wellness Way in South Jordan, Utah. If you are dealing with this condition, I know it can be a massive struggle. So reach out, we can help you.